Welcome back, everybody. Another video, Brando's Custom RCs and more. Back at it with the long bed pickup. Starting on the bodywork. I think I got the bed mostly done. Keep them sharp corners still. You know. I think it looks pretty good. Started on the cab. Remember what it looked like before. That was a big gap. But that's just the beginning. I just laid it in there. I didn't even sand it down yet. I just molded it. So that's gonna look perfect when I'm done. Inside, nice. The other side looks good too. That was a big gap. A lot to fill. But I feel like this gap is too big. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. But what I was thinking is laying this on top of a piece of styrene, tracing it out, and just laying it on top and gluing it, and then, you know, doing my Bondo work again, just to kind of make that gap a little bit smaller. But I mean, if it looks okay to you guys, let me know. Obviously this needs to come up, but I just got it mocked up. The wheelbase seems, you know, damn, that's actually a pretty big gap. I definitely need to close that up a little bit. But now, I'll do that, and then working on the cab. Get that all really nice. Lots of sanding, a lot. Also, I want to get, I don't know, I want smaller tires, smaller shocks. I want it lower. It's gonna be like a stock looking truck with an LS swap, sort of like a sleeper. But yeah, to be continued. I'm gonna keep working on this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Till next time. Peace.